I was sent these fence post lights to try them out, and we installed them on the stairs of our deck. In the box, you get the instructions for hanging them, the hardware you're going to need in order to do that, the lights themselves, which have the solar panels sitting at the top, and then you actually get 2 different sizes for the base of these lights. Depending on the thickness of your fence post, you can either choose the 4x4 size or the 6x6 size. Either of these would also work on a 5x5 size fence post. Each light opens up by twisting it, and inside you will find a battery that will need to be put into place and the cap to go over that. And then each light has a switch on the inside where you can choose if you want warm light or white light. This is where we chose to install 2 of our lights. They were fairly easy to install. We just added the 4 screws to the base plate. We had to modify ours slightly because our posts were tapered, but once you get the base on with the 4 screws, you just twist the main part of the light into place. And this is what it looked like afterwards. But now let's see what they look like at night. They give a very nice glowing ambiance at night. And here you can see the white light option, and then I switched it to the warm light option so you can see the difference between both.